Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Fort Steele, British Columbia. This historic town is located in the southeastern part of the province, near the beautiful Rocky Mountains. It sits along the banks of the Kootenay River, surrounded by scenic forests and mountain views. Fort Steele began as a small gold rush settlement in the 1860s. It was originally called Galbraith's Ferry, named after a man who operated a ferry across the river. In 1888, it was renamed Fort Steele in honor of Superintendent Samuel Steele of the Northwest Mounted Police. The town grew quickly during the gold rush and became an important trading and transportation hub. However, when the main railway line bypassed Fort Steele in favor of Cranbrook, the town's growth slowed down and many people moved away. Today, Fort Steele is a restored heritage town that preserves the look and feel of the 1890s. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fort Steele, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!